Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to install extensions from the Google Web Store in the Google Chrome browser. In order to do that, well, there are two pages. First of all, by directly typing in the URL, that is chrome://extensions, it will take you to your extensions page, or you can just visit this page by clicking on the top three icons over here, and in here you would have an option known as extensions. Just click on manage extensions and you would be here in this page. Here you would find this option, that is discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. If you just click on it, you would be redirected to this page. Just take a look at the URL. This is the URL, that is chromewebstore.google.com. You just visit this URL, you would be here, and if you need to download extensions, then just click on the extensions. There is also an option to download themes. Well, another direct way would be by clicking on the three icons at the top right corner and just heading to the extensions setting and clicking on visit Chrome Web Store. In here, let's say we would need a tool. You just go here, you'll find this. Let's say I need Google Translate. I can just type it over here and I would get it. And if I just click on add to Chrome, this extension would be downloaded. As we can see, we get a warning page over here. We can just double check what extension do we want to install and click add extension or cancel. If you just click on add extension, then it would be added to your extensions page. Right now, as you can see, I have only 3 extensions. After adding, I have 4 extensions with me. So this is how you download and install extensions on Google Play. Let's say in Google Chrome, but let's say you would need to load unpacked extensions, that is you get the code from a GitHub page or something and you would have to directly load it. In order to load unpacked extensions, I made a separate video and I will leave that video's link in the description in the first comment. So just go take a look at it. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If it was useful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button, you do subscribe button, if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.